Let's talk about cherries, the sweet, tart gems that make summer desserts unforgettable. But their story doesn't start at the supermarket. Cherries take a journey that begins in quiet orchards, long before they reach your table. It's a year-round effort, with farmers betting on unpredictable weather and working tirelessly to grow the perfect fruit. We'll follow cherries from blossom to harvest, through sun-drenched fields and bustling processing plants. Along the way, you'll meet the pickers, drivers, and workers who make it all happen. Every step is a race against time. Once picked, cherries must move fast to stay fresh. This is more than just fruit, it's a massive, coordinated operation. We'll uncover the technology, the teamwork, and the passion behind every cherry. By the end, you'll see cherries in a whole new light. So get ready to dive into the real story behind that little red fruit. From orchard to table, it's an adventure you won't forget. Let's pull back the curtain on the cherry business. Welcome to the untold journey of the cherry. Every cherry starts with a tree, and orchards in places like Washington, Michigan, Oregon, and California are where the magic happens. Washington leads in sweet cherries, while Michigan dominates tart varieties. Spring brings a burst of blossoms, each flower a potential cherry thanks to millions of hardworking bees. No bees, no cherries. It's that simple. After pollination, tiny green cherries emerge, and farmers become full-time caretakers. They monitor water, sunlight, and weather, knowing a single frost or heavy rain can ruin a crop. As summer nears, cherries grow and change color, green to yellow, then deep red or nearly black. Bing and Rainier are the sweet stars. Montmorency rules the tart world. Each variety has its own flavor, shaped by a year of patience and hard work. The journey from blossom to ripe cherry is a delicate dance with nature. Farmers must outsmart the elements to deliver the perfect fruit. It's a partnership between people and the land. Every cherry is a testament to resilience and care. The next time you bite into one, remember the year-long story behind it. Orchards are more than fields. They're the birthplace of summer's favorite fruit. That's the secret life of a cherry tree. And it's just the beginning. When cherries are ripe, harvest is a race. Sweet cherries are picked by hand, gently twisted off the stem to keep them fresh. Skilled pickers move quickly, filling buckets under the hot sun, careful not to bruise the fruit. It's tough work, but every perfect cherry depends on their expertise. Tart cherries, destined for pies and juice, get the machine treatment. Mechanical shakers grab the tree, shake loose the fruit, and cherries rain onto tarps below. In seconds, a tree is stripped, what would take hours by hand. Conveyors funnel the cherries into cold water bins, starting the cooling process right away. This blend of tradition and technology lets farmers harvest millions of pounds at peak ripeness. Hand-picking for quality, machines for speed, each method fits the cherry's final destination. It's a high-stakes, fast-paced operation. Timing is everything. The harvest is the most intense part of the cherry's journey. Every cherry picked is a victory over the clock, and the adventure is just getting started. Once picked, cherries are on a tight schedule. Freshness fades fast, so speed is crucial. Hand-picked cherries head to collection stations, then into large bins. Forklifts and trucks rush them to cooling facilities within hours. Rapid cooling locks in flavor and firmness. Tart cherries shaken into water bins get hydro-cooled instantly. Water cushions and chills them. Trucks haul these bins straight to the factory, keeping cherries cold every step of the way. It's a relay. Pickers, drivers, and warehouse teams all play their part. Any delay, heat, traffic, or a breakdown can ruin a load. The logistics are a finely tuned machine moving millions of pounds in days. Every minute matters. The cold chain is the secret to perfect cherries on your table. Behind every bite is a team racing the clock. The journey from orchard to plant is a feat of coordination, and the clock never stops ticking. At the processing plant, cherries enter a world of speed and precision. First, a cold water bath washes away orchard dust and debris. Then, cherries ride water flumes to high-tech sorting lines. Cameras and lasers scan for color, size, and defects. Bad cherries are whisked away in a flash. For pies and jams, cherries head to the pitter where machines punch out thousands of pits per minute. It's a marvel of engineering. No more biting into a hidden pit. Pitted cherries move on for freezing, canning, or juicing. Sweet cherries that pass inspection are packed fresh for stores. Every step is about speed and quality, transforming fruit into safe, delicious products. The plant is a blend of technology and teamwork. From field to factory, the cherry's journey is all about freshness. The magic happens here, turning raw fruit into something ready for your table. And it all happens in a matter of hours. The scale of the cherry industry is staggering. Over 650 million pounds harvested in the US each year. Washington leads in sweet cherries, Michigan in tart. Most sweet cherries are sold fresh, with a third exported to places like Japan and South Korea. Tart cherries? Nearly all are processed, frozen, canned, dried, or juiced. That's why your cherry pie or trail mix almost always features Michigan's Montmorency cherries. The season is short, but the impact is huge. Cherries travel from orchard to market in days, sometimes even overseas. The system is a marvel of efficiency and quality control. Thanks to this network, we enjoy cherries year-round, in pies, snacks, and juices. Every cherry product has a story rooted in American orchards. It's a global journey for a local fruit. And it all starts with a summer harvest. Packaging is the final step before cherries reach you. Fresh cherries are weighed and packed in clamshells or bags, designed to protect and preserve. Labels track origin and freshness, and cold storage keeps cherries crisp until they ship. The cold chain continues. Refrigerated trucks deliver cherries to stores nationwide. For processed cherries, options abound. Frozen in bulk, canned in syrup, dried for snacks, or juiced for drinks. Distribution centers break down shipments for stores, bakeries, and food companies. It's a complex dance of logistics, ensuring cherries are available in every form. From factory to shelf, every step is about quality and timing. Whether fresh or processed, cherries are handled with care. The journey is global, but the goal is simple: perfect cherries, every time. When you open a bag or slice a pie, you're tasting the result of this intricate process. From our hands to yours, cherries travel far to reach your table. Cherry farming is a gamble against nature. Weather is the biggest threat. Late frosts, rain, hail, and wind can destroy a crop overnight. Farmers use fans, helicopters, and other tools to protect blossoms and fruit. Rain near harvest can split cherries, making them unsellable. Pests are another challenge. Fruit flies and birds love cherries as much as we do. Integrated pest management helps farmers target threats without overusing chemicals. Monitoring, traps, and eco-friendly methods keep orchards healthy. Sustainability matters. Drip irrigation saves water, cover crops protect soil, and habitats support beneficial insects. Modern farmers balance productivity with environmental care. Every cherry is the result of constant vigilance and innovation. The fight against weather and pests never ends. Farming cherries means adapting, season after season. It's a job for problem solvers and optimists. The next time you eat a cherry, remember the risks behind the reward. It's a battle, but the results are worth it. Next time you enjoy a cherry, think of its journey, from blossom to your table. Behind every bite is a team: farmers, pickers, drivers, and factory workers. Their hard work and dedication make summer's sweetest moments possible. Cherry pie on the 4th of July, a bowl at a picnic. These traditions start in the orchard. Cherries connect us to the land and the people who grow our food. It's a story of teamwork, technology, and grit. So here's to the cherry crew, the unsung heroes behind every harvest. Their efforts bring a taste of summer to us all. The next time you savor that sweet or tart flavor, remember the hands that made it possible. They've earned our respect and gratitude. Enjoy your cherries. They're more than just fruit, they're a labor of love. And that makes every bite a little sweeter.